Hello students, welcome to chemistry. In this video, we are going to cover the key concepts to introduce you to the chemistry course. First, I'm going to talk about what to do if you're going to be going into chemistry next year, and this is the summer before that. Firstly, you must master your calculator. Your calculator is your best friend, and it can make calculations simple, faster, and easier. Knowing your calculator before you walk in on the first day of school is an absolutely must and is essential for your success in the class. Understanding the periodic table. Being able to locate elements on the periodic table is a must. You may not be good at math, so why waste valuable time on useless things? If you can locate it quickly and fast enough, you will have more time for the complicated math in the chemistry course. Next, we're going to talk about healthy study routines for chemistry that are sustainable. Chemistry is not an easy class, and you have to dedicate some time to practice outside of the class. Class practice does not count. If your teacher gives you a practice worksheet, it isn't good enough. An hour a week should be good enough for you to maintain an A throughout the course. First, know your calculator. You must be able to put a number in scientific notation into scientific notation if it's already put in scientific notation, and put it in your calculator correctly. So for the example given, it's 2.02 times 10 to the 5th. So for me, I have a TI-30XA calculator. I would press 2.02 on my calculator, then I would press EE, and then I will click 5 because that's the exponent. It's like the subscript. Next, you must be able to change a number from scientific notation to regular notation. So you will press second, then for me, it's 5 or 4 if I want to change between flow notation and scientific notation. There will also be parentheses used to save time on an equation. For example, the equation given is avocado's number over 5.13 times 8.3. Now this may be difficult to see, but you would put the first number, the avocado's constant, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd in your calculator, then hit divide and open the parentheses and put the rest of the equation in as normal. 5.13 times 8.3. Then, instead of closing the parentheses, you would hit the equal sign at the end to finish off. And now, your periodic table. Knowing your periodic table is a must. You must be able to look at element symbols and know which element they are speaking of. For example, if I look at SN, I must be able to know that is tin. If you need a little practice, it's okay. This is a website right here where you can practice your elemental symbols. This is all symbols that you will most likely see. It's not complicated ones that are very difficult your teacher won't likely give to you, such as nihonium or copernicium. You won't need to know such stuff as that. This is simple, useful, and reoccurring elements that come into view. Lastly, study habits throughout the course. A strong rule of thumb is 3, 2, 1. 3 easy problems, 2 medium problems, 1 hard problem. However, if you should like to improve more than this, you should switch it around to 3 hard problems, 2 medium problems, and 1 easy problem. Example givens are 3 easy problems are similar to convert from 390 seconds to minutes. It's 1 conversion factor. 2 medium problems are convert from 1 year to 1 minute. Those require more conversion factors. However, they are still simple as long as you know where to put to cancel out the number. And lastly, it's 1 problem such as convert from 520 miles over 3 hours to meters over seconds. That's the really difficult problem, which requires more conversion factors, but also for you to convert 2 things in the equation. And lastly, practice problems. Practice problems are the best study method. I cannot stress this enough. If you cannot do a practice problem, you cannot do a real problem. So practice as much problems as you can. And also watch videos if you must. watching a YouTube video might help clear stuff out. So subscribe to the channel, and we'll post weekly chemistry, biology, and any other recommendations that you guys have or are confused about. Thank you for watching. Please leave any feedbacks in the comments.